Hello there, welcome to Dave Tech YouTube channel. In this channel, I talk about electronics in general, especially smart TVs, smartphones, how to get applications on your smart TV, or how to use your smart TVs or smartphones effectively. So if these are topics you're interested in, you might want to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Now, in this particular video, I will be showing you how to use the downloader application on your smart TV. This is very easy, and if you find the video useful to you, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Now, on your smart TV, after connecting to the internet, this is what you should do to use the downloader application. The first thing is for you to come over to the application, and here's the application. It's called Downloader. Now, you don't have the application on your smart TV. Check the description of this video. There's a link there to install the application to your smart TV or download the application to your Android TV. Once you've done, you just have to come over here and launch the application. Now, Downloader works like a browser or an intermediary application. What do I mean by intermediary application? It helps you install applications or APKs from across the internet to your smart TV. That's why I really love the application Downloader, because it helps me get any application I want to my smart TV. So let's just go ahead and launch the application, and here's how it looks like. It's a very easy, simple interface, and here's it. Now if you come over to this left side here where we have home, we are currently in the home. We have browser. Once you go to a browser, this is the browser section of Downloader where you can search anything on it. The browser works like any other browser, like Chrome, TV Bro, Brave browser, and so on. So you just have to go over to the box over here or the search bar over here and type in what you're looking for. Type in the right keyword you're looking for. So this is the browser section of Downloader. Now if you come over here, there is files. In files here, all you have to see in files is every application or every files you've downloaded through Downloader. It shows here. So if you are searching for it, for instance, I downloaded a TV made APK using Downloader on my smart TV. Now favorite is maybe a favorite website or your favorite keywords that you bookmarked on Downloader. So they are all here. Now, so the most important part of Downloader is the home. Here's it, is this home section. And what do you do in this home section? In this home section, you go ahead to search the keyword of what you're looking for. So let's say, for instance, I'm looking for a particular application. For just think of any application in mind, you just have to go over here and then type in the keyword or the short code or a URL that's going to lead you to the website or that particular application you're looking for. So let's say, for instance, I'm looking for an application like VLC. So I just come over here and I type in the short keyword VLC. I'm just taking this as an example. You can search for any application. So I just go ahead and type in VLC in the box over here. Then I come to this Go and I search Go. So once I type in that keyword, Downloader is going to show me VLC. It's going to show me a result page for VLC. Now it can be VLC website, it can be the VLC application. There are a lot. Alright, so for instance, here's a VLC application. So if I was typing the keyword in search to download VLC, then I can go ahead and use this. If I was typing the keyword to know about the official website to download it, here's it. So you see, what Downloader is going to show me is just going to show me various websites that talk about VLC. So that's how this works. Now you can always go ahead to personalize your search or make Downloader know exactly what you're looking for. So let's say, for instance, I don't just want to look for VLC, I want to look for VLC APK. So instead of just typing VLC, I'm just going to go ahead and type in APK. So as I type in APK and search, it is going to go ahead and show me straight away where I can get the APK of VLC, as you can see. So for instance, if I scroll a little bit, here's the option. So if you're looking for a way to download APKs on your smart TV, you can use Downloader to download APK on your smart TV by just typing this. Alright, so that's it. You see, there are many options to download APK because I have specified my search to APK. So I specified my search to APK. So if I was looking for a particular version of VLC, let me say the latest version of VLC, all I have to do is to type VLC latest version. So this is how this search works. You just have to type in the keyword you're looking for and specify latest version. So now the only difficulty that you might be facing is typing, because typing on smart TV is not the same like typing on your smartphone. So I type in VLC latest version and I go ahead and search. When I search latest version, here's what I'm going to get. So it's going to show me results depending on what I search. VLC latest version. Now, of course, the Google is always going to be the latest version. Oh, this is the website, this is the official website for VLC Media Player. So you see, this is the latest version. So the latest version currently is 2.12, and that's how you search. Oh, here's another latest version, 3.021. So depends on the version you're looking for. You can always use downloader to search for whatever you are looking for. Now you can go to your website, or maybe questions and answers about VLC. So just type VLC question and answer, and that's how to use downloader. So if you are interested in more website, you can come over here and then you can zoom in, add it to your favorite. You can bookmark this, or you can bookmark this website, and you can increase text size, decrease text size, disable JavaScript, view browser controls, or close. You can close the browser by just coming back to home, and it's going to bring you back to the search box. Now if you decide to support downloader or maybe donate to them, you just have to come over here and choose an amount you want to donate and click on it, and it's going to lead you to where you can donate to the downloader creators. And if you need any help, just come over to the help section here and click on it, and you're going to get all the help that you do need. So ladies and gentlemen, that's how to use downloader on your smart TV or Android TV. If you found this video useful, please do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel.